Okay, let me check first SE10. HCM, Fortran, DT7 board with SDMM, SDMM. SDMM. Okay. SPRO. Okay. I guess we might have to reconfigure customer account, master data, operations, define screen layout, and our company was okay, DT72. We don't have it, so we'll have to reconfigure the customer master data DT72. SD group, SDFI group. Okay, general data, company code data. Okay, fine. In company code data, what we'll do, these are the fields that we'll see when creating, and required entry is nothing. We'll just keep it that way. Okay. Save. West. Donut group. Save. Okay. GT72 is made, and okay, from here SPRO will go to cross modular application components cross modular, and from here we will access SAP business partner, because now customer vendors are considered as business partners and controlled from cross modular component, which is a centralized component. Business partner, basic settings, number ranges and groupings, define number ranges. Now this is from centralized unit. Okay. And this is from finance point of view. Debitor, debtor, which is from finance. Now we have to match. Now, what do we have to match? We have to match these series, the ones that have external. 499 and 47, it's 47. 499, where is 499? We don't have any 47, 499, 47. So we have this 47, and the next customer that we'll have will be 4720. Okay. 4720, because it has external range. External means it is coming from centralized unit. Okay. Now we go back and assign number range to account group. DT72 47. Okay. Over here from cross application, this is business unit partner. So this is cross application centralized unit. This is centralized unit. Okay. So we define groupings. Groupings will be new entries. DT72 customer SD grouping. DT72 grouping, customer DT72 grouping, and this is number range 47, internal standard grouping. Yeah, save. Okay, we save it like this. Save, then save. Data was saved, and we go back over here. Save, save. So we have aligned, not synchronized yet. We have aligned FI and central component. What is central component? This is the central component. Uh, this is central component. Cross application means multiple application components will be defined. Multiple modules, master data will be defined from here. Okay. We're defining our customer vendors from here. Okay. Next is master data synchronization and customer vendor integration is same in cross modular area. And business partner setting or settings for customer integration, BP role category, or the next one. Let's see. No, not this one. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. No, not this one. Field assignment. Yes. Assign keys. Direction BP to when customer. Direction BP from centralized to FI. That's the direction. So this is grouping coming from centralized DT72, and this is account group. Okay, DT72. Okay, same numbers because we have aligned and synchronized the numbers. Now these are aligned. Okay. Customer DT72 grouping and DT72 customer SDFI group. Okay. Same. We have actually defined this. Now let's go and check BP. This is the transaction code for creating customer. We'll create an organization. Okay. Business partner general first, but grouping, that is important. Grouping is important. Customer DT72 grouping. Okay. Very important. So our will be, let's say, tonics supply rating tonics DT70. Tonics DT72. This is very important to have search term because if you want to search company, it is very difficult if search terms are not maintained. Okay, Abu Dhabi, country AE, language English. This will be English language. Okay, and save. So it will first save as a common generalized business partner under this grouping. Okay. So 4711 is created. Okay. Now we will switch between display and change, and this will become modifiable. Okay, now this is modifiable, and we'll go from here to FI customer, and we will have company code, and company code is DT72. Okay, and save, but it requires a reconciliation account. 60,000, let's say if it has, okay, 60,000, it's not there. We'll have to first make chart of accounts, financial accounting, general ledger accounting. Now this is important also, GL account preparations, edit chart of accounts list, DT72, 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 products, group charts, accounts, English, save. Okay. Okay, assign company code to chart of accounts, DT72, and we will assign DT72. Now, chart of accounts is basically a collection of all GL accounts from all segments like assets, liabilities, expense, incomes. Okay, that is chart of accounts. And each chart of accounts will have multiple account groups. So we'll go for AA42. AA42 is our template company code we've been working on, and we have built plants also. AA42 and copy as DT72, Control Y, DT72. I'll just paste it. DT72. So we have all kinds of accounts here: liquid funds, clearing accounts, expense accounts, HR accounts, material accounts, recon accounts. We need recon accounts for customers and vendors. Okay. And we will have recon accounts here. Save. Save. Retained earnings account, DT72. This is also important. X 20,000. This is important. Retained earnings. Only accountants basically know this. So they actually handle this at the month end and year end. Okay. This is done. Next is general controlling. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. This is a necessary step again. New entries. DT72. Data is not maintained yet. Okay. Go back. Uh, what kind of data is not maintained? Financial accounting. global setting, ledger, fiscal year, assign company code to a fiscal year variant, PT72, A4, save. Now this is fiscal year for posting journal entries and entries in SD in any module. You need a fiscal year variant, and that will be January, December with 4 special extra periods. Okay. Posting periods, assign variants to company code, TT72, and we will have 8842. That is our template. Okay. Donald group. Okay, this is done. Open and close. We don't need that for now. Ledger. Now, ledger settings are important also. Okay, in ledger, we have one leading ledger across SAP. This is one big ledger which has all entries of all company codes. So we will find out our company code DT72, and we have local currency, which is company code currency 10. So these are codes. So we want 30 over here. We'll do that. DT72, double click. Parallel accounting, accounting principle will be gap, functional currency 10. Save. Okay, save. Okay, currency conversion settings. This is important because new entries DT7230, currency will be USD, source will be 00, exchange rate type M, and that M is standard translation and posting date. Now I will explain each and everything. Company code, and we want another currency type. Okay, and it will report in USD. Right now it is reporting in dirhams, and source currency from where it will pick up the values and translate and convert in USD. It is source, that is the source document currency for group currency, and group currency is USD. Okay, see. Okay. Okay, and now we come back again. No, we go back to OKKP. This is the next step. New entries. Controlling areas company code DT72. Okay, now it is picking up cross company code. Over here, currency type will not be 10 because it's already there. USD. Standard hierarchy for cost centers will be DT72. INT will be financial statement version. This is for making balance sheets and profit loss accounts. Okay. Double click and it will give me a pop-up. I say, okay, create standard hierarchy for DT72. New entries. 2024. Cost centers will be active, activity type, project sales orders, and variances will be there. Assignments of company code and new entries, company code will be, so multiple company codes can come into controlling area. This is one conceptual, but only if, let me save this first, then so it has added 30 as group currency. Group currency is USD. Local company code currency is dirhams. This is at company code level. At controlling level, it will be 30. So if you want multiple companies to report in USD, you will add them here, but for some under some conditions. And those conditions are very simple. Those conditions are chart of accounts and fiscal year variant. If this is same, then any company code can be reporting to controlling area. This is one concept you should understand. Okay, we are done. Now we can create our customer 60,000, but not yet. FS00. This is where we create GL accounts. So 20,000. No. FS00. 20,000 DT72 field status variant. Oh, let's stop over here because